Hello traders. So market continued its yesterday's rally, and as we had our levels marked here, and that was exactly taken out. It was a breakout here again, and then market open gap up, little bit pull back, fill the gap, and then continue its upside rally. First target was this gap filling. This was done. Second target was previous days, this days somewhere high, and we missed out this target. So that was Nifty 5 minutes time frame. We discussed two trade, I guess, today on Telegram. If you're not there, link is in the description. Do join for live market analysis, and let's get to bigger time frame just to see what we can expect tomorrow. So finally, we are in the zone where we had recent price action. So if you mark that price action, somewhere we can face resistance. Yeah, so this is where exactly the gap was filled. Even this face resistance, and now respecting these levels. So now this is too much stretched. Tomorrow I do not suggest look for long trade. This is 4.69% move in 2 days, and 2 days back I discussed in a video where euro currency was finally pulling back. Okay, and that's where that was the day where market started to rally upside. This was a crucial level on 15,700, and then there was a false breakdown, and price immediately recovered to trap all the sellers, and this rally is still continuing with almost 5% move. So tomorrow at least minimum we can expect is at least a pullback, and then maybe consolidation, and then can go for the high if it has to go for the high. However, market do not back-to-back 3 days. It's a rare scenario where you face continuation of a trend, having trending market, and tomorrow is expiry, so be very careful. Don't get trapped. Whatever money you make yesterday and today, try to keep it. Okay, which is very hard. Making money is not that hard as it is to keep that money with you. So that's all in Nifty. Let's move to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, this chart is still distorted. So let's go to future chart. So yes, we had this level mark. See, this was false breakdown, recovered immediately. Price somewhere, yeah, it was here. This was a support level. It was retested, tested, and then we gave it. There was entry I shared. Just let's go to 5 minutes time frame. Yes, I took entry on somewhere here on this candle, and the same was shared on Telegram. I'll explain you the logic behind this. The thing is, this was somewhere a support area, this, and then when I saw this candle and pulling back, this was I thought, okay, this is the best time to take a trade, keeping a stop loss as days low. But if you notice, days low here on the future chart, it is taken out, but on the spot chart, it's just for understanding. But देख लेते हैं. So the entry was made on the third candle. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So this was days low, and that's exactly next time it did not touch. So days low was my stop loss. The entry was here, and this was the bottom almost, and then market rallied on the upside. But in future chart shows that the SL was triggered. So let's remove this. Move back to future chart again. Yes, we had our resistance level marked already. The target was shared here. Again, the momentum was expected. This is where I mentioned that now match the time. Let me try and do it. Yeah, so if you see here, on this candle, the trade was taken by the time I posted. It was what time it was? Let's see. So this was at 9:30 approx. The trade was posted, and then every detail of the trade I shared, how on bigger time frame it was appearing, and how you're supposed to trail, and why it looks like that on future chart. We have our SL triggered, but on spot, the setup was still intact. And then the market was sideways completely, and still we got saved with a few 15-20 points here before our SL could trigger. and then market reverse immediately, giving this target. And that's where we got our target. I also mentioned here, let me show you what exactly. Yeah, there was another call, 34,000 CE 125, which went high to 290 plus. And the learning part was, yeah, I posted 33,685 is the minimum I expect today on intraday basis, and then 34,150. However, the high was 34,980 plus something. So we missed the second target. I wasn't expecting it either, but the first target was very clear. And then that's how it went. You can check the timings and everything. So let's move to the chart for tomorrow's analysis. I was expecting this much. Yes, since this was a gap, it was already marked 33,688. That's where the price got pulled back, respecting these level. However, the momentum was so severe and strong that it also gave breakout within today itself. So now what exactly we can do tomorrow is, this gap is yet to fill. This is the gap. So this gap is the next target. However, I suggest that even the Bank Nifty has given a substantial move in 2 days. The move is approximately 5%, 5.4%. So the move is quite high. So try to keep the money. Try not to trade tomorrow or gamble it. Look for trading opportunity if it exists. If price sustain here, I expect a pullback until unless this level is retested or price spends some time before it reached this. However, considering this momentum of 5% plus, we can have some kind of a gap up tomorrow. So try not to trade until 10:30, and the premium are very high, so we can expect decay. So trade after 12, 1 o'clock, where if there is any move, you will know, and I'll post it on Telegram as well. So do join there. Tomorrow I expect sideways market ranging between 34,345 to somewhere here. Yeah, 30. Yeah, pullback also we can take. So 300 on the upside and 300 on the downside. So basically, yeah, 600 points we have, but to have a clear direction, it will be quite risky tomorrow. So try to wait for market structure to complete, and then we can have a proper momentum and we can trade accordingly. So thank you for watching all the way if you're watching. That should be all for today. I'll see you in another analysis video tomorrow. Thank you.